Hello and welcome to Gardening Right Now. This is my very first order from the Violet Barn. Today I'll show you exactly what I ordered, how long it took to receive it, and what condition my plants are in. I ordered Ma's Glass Slipper, Rob's Chili Willy, Lillian Jarrett, Teeny Bopper, and the species Pendula Kazare. Let's begin with the box. It's a nice heavy cardboard, clearly marked fragile, and arrived here in perfect condition. Now let's showcase my very awkward box cutting skills. I have a packing slip and lots of insulation. They've placed plastic around the base of each plant to hold in the potting mix, and then wrapped each plant securely in paper. The two smaller, more delicate plants are even more securely wrapped. Now let's take a closer look at these super healthy plants. This is Ma's Glass Slipper. Lillian Jarrett is a vintage Tenere variety with gorgeous mosaic foliage that was registered in 1989. S. pendula kazare is a species-type African violet that grows in trailing form. Even the start looks super vigorous. I first saw Rob's Chilly Willy at a violet show last year, and it's been on my wish list ever since. The blossoms are just beautiful. And this cute little guy is the vintage micro mini trailer called Teeny Bopper. In conclusion, I have to say, I'm so glad I ordered from the Violet Barn. The amount of care that they put into growing and shipping their plants really shows. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe.